Hey guys, it's Windy from Windys.Art. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a Kingfisher bird in color pencil. I'll talk about how I layer the color to create the realistic look and walk you through step by step how I complete this drawing. Now if you're ready, let's get straight into it. As always, I start with my sketch. I refer to my reference photo and draw out the basic shape, and I mark out the different layers on the wings. Then I start adding the blue tone base layer onto the body of the bird. Try to keep the base layer lighter so we can work on details and layers later. Then I start drawing from the beak. I first put a base layer on, and if you observe the reference photo closely, you can see the upper and lower beak are different colors. Then I add darker shades around the lower beak. Next, I draw out the eye contours, then add darker patterns around the head following the flow of the feather, as you can see here. After that, I add colors in between the patterns. Then I put a second layer around the wings. In this layer, the color can be stronger than the base layer, also to mark out all the wings layers. Next, I draw out all the darker contours in between the wings, so you can see the whole contours more clearly, and it's easier for the drawing process later. Depending on the areas, I choose different colors for the darker contours. After that, I put a base layer around the belly, then I add darker shades around the lower belly areas. Make sure to clean up the leftover wax from the pencil while drawing, so you can keep the paper nice and clean. Next, I add feather details. I put darker shades following the flow of the feather. It's quite important to draw following the growth direction to show the realism of the feather. For example, the feather of the head and wings flow in different directions. Then I add colors on top of that. It does have some different colors on the wings. Try to observe the reference photo before coloring to avoid putting on the wrong colors. Then continue adding the feather details until you finish. For the branch, because it's not the main focus of this drawing, so I draw out the darker contours and add base layer and darker shades. Leave blanks around the reflection areas while coloring, so it looks more 3D. I also strengthen the shadow where the legs and the branch connect, so it pops out more. Lastly, the touch-up, I like to go back to see if there's any details missing or any areas that need to be strengthened again. Now the drawing is about done here. I really hope it's helpful and you enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you never miss out on my weekly art videos and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye!